guys, and welcome to my video reviewing the Corsair HS35 stereo gaming headset. So here it is. As you can see, we have the blue edition. It's come in a nice box here with a nice wrapping. It says "Never miss a beat" there at the side. Here is the box. As you can see, we have, like I said, we had the blue edition. Now this, I suppose primarily is for PlayStation 4, but this is also going to work for PC. I just obviously like blue, so I've got the blue edition. Nice box again. Let's crack the old lid here. This side. Nice box. Comes in a protective packaging there, and then they come out here. This has got the little. This is the actual microphone, the separate detachable microphone, and then it comes with just the audio cable there. So as you can see, quite nice fit. We've got that. That's the wrong way around. So yeah, nice logo there. You can see the Corsair logo. These don't really twist too much. A little bit of twist there. Let's pull them down. So yeah, got quite a amount of flex there in terms of actually adjustments in terms of your ear size. I think they're quite stylish headphones. Fit fairly tight, but not too bad. The headband here has got quite a nice comfort sort of rest here, which is really nice. I quite like that fit. It looks, and like I said, it looks quite good. Buttons are just here, so I can feel that button there. Let me just have a look. Okay, so that one, I think that's just the on. Okay, and then you've actually got the buttons at the back here for the volume here, and then that button I think is for the mic.
So here we are with the mic test. This is the mic test of the Corsair HS35 stereo headset. This is the mic test. Overall, I would say it's adequate. It's not great. If you were just talking to your mates playing video games, not a problem. Obviously, if you're YouTube video edit, putting videos out there for YouTube videos, no, it's not going to be good enough. And overall, I wouldn't say it's good enough quality, but it's perfectly adequate if you just want to talk to mates while you're playing games. So overall, yeah, it does the job, but I'm not overly impressed with the mic.
So overall, I think this headset is generally a good headset. I'd say the pros of it, it's very good looking. I think it's quite well designed. I like the design, and overall I would say it's a good value. I mean, for only £40 in the UK, that isn't bad value. So overall I think it is a good headset, but there are downsides. First of all, it was a very short cable, which I wasn't too happy with, and also didn't come with an adapter for the PC, so I had to buy that separately. But you do get it. Apparently you do get it with the black one, but you don't get it with the blue one because they're for PlayStation 4 apparently. So but obviously they can be used for PC as well. I would have liked it if they'd just done all the colours and put all the adapters with all the colours and just done it. Just choose whatever colour you want. Would have made it better. It would have been made better. But overall, the sound quality is not the best. It's okay. I'm just not overly happy with it, but it is a budget headset. It's only £40. You can't expect great things. But I would say if you're going to use this day in, day out, you really were sort of quite serious about playing games, you know, you would need, probably I'd look at something like the Razer, like Kraken tournament edition, I think it is called. There's ones for like sort of 60 or 70, getting towards those area, for 60 or 70 pounds, and then I think that's a sort of a good, you know, you're going to get a really good quality headset that's going to last you a very long time. I mean, I would say generally the wear and tear of this is going to be quite good. You know, it does seem quite well made, it does seem quite sturdy, so it's not like it won't last you very long, but overall I just don't think the audio quality is good enough, and then the mic is very disappointing as well, really. I mean, it gets you by, but it's nothing more than getting you by, really. So overall, could I recommend these? I'd probably say no, actually. Probably say invest in something a little bit more expensive, but not too much more expensive, and really get yourself a really good pair of headphones. But overall, if you do want a very budget orientated headsets, you're happy that the microphone is detachable and you're not really too bothered about that, and overall you just like the design, which, you know, I do like the design, I have to admit that, then yeah, I mean, go for it. I mean, it's still a perfectly good headset, and I do think it will last you a long time. So yeah, overall I think they are okay, but they're no more than okay. So if you like this video, please give us a like, please comment, please subscribe, and I'll check you out in the next one, guys. See ya.